Hey everyone, this is Dama. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this really cute bandana for Dali. And if you guys want to see how I did step by step, make sure to keep on watching. So these are my measurements right here. So from his neck all around, it's going to be 16 inches from here all the way to here. And as far as how long I want it to lie on his chest, it's going to be 5 inches. And as for this part right here, it's going to be as thick as my ribbon. So it is 1.5 inches. And the ribbon that I'm using is this one right here. So my first fabric is this one right here, and this is a regular cotton fabric and this does not stretch. So this is the one I'm going to be using, and I'm also going to be using this one as well, which is super pretty. It has really nice lime print, which looks like this one. So this is the other one I'm going to be using. So this one has already been cut, and from here to here is 1.5, and this is how long I want it. This was 16 inches, and from here to here was 5 inches. So this one's already cut. Now I'm going to be doing the same one, but just in this fabric. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So now that I have my two bandanas cut, I am going to put one on top of the other. So what you want visible outside, which is this side right here, is going to be laying on top. And then this one I'm going to flip over and just put it on top. So you want the sides that are going to be visible outside to be facing towards each other, just like this. And the next step is you're going to sew along here. You're going to sew along here as well, and all along the top, but you are not going to sew the sides right here, just because remember that you are going to add the ribbon on each side. So I've already sewn right here, and right here, remember, not here. So now I'm going to turn it inside out. So this is how it looks once I've turned it inside out. So this is the lime part, and this is the blue part. And now the next step is to sew along each side the ribbon. So I'm just going to put it in here, just like so. Just going to put it like that. And what I need to do, just so it doesn't continue fraying, it's just you're going to fold it a little bit. Or actually just fold it first and then just put the ribbon inside. So once you've folded the edge, you just put the elastic inside and just sew right on top, along so straight across, and you're going to do on this side and also on this side as well. So this is what it looks like once I've added each piece of ribbon on each side. And you can go ahead and stop here. I'm actually going to sew right on top here, here, and here, just so it looks a little more professional and it lasts a little longer. It looks a little undone just like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and sew that, and it's going to be ready to wear. This is what this side looks like, and the other side looks like that. So this is how it turned out. I really love the fabric. It just makes me like think of summertime when I see this fabric. I bought this fabric at Walmart. They have a small section where they sell little small squares, and it's not a complete yard. It's a little smaller than a yard, but each little square is 97 cents. And I still have enough left over to maybe make myself a bra, maybe something for my hair. So I do have plenty left over, and it's pretty affordable for 97 cents. If you guys happen to make this cute bandana, make sure to comment down below, or hashtag DAMAV425 on my Instagram. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you guys know every time I upload a new video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.